Lorn Vintage Ploughing match took place at a new venue this year, Dunach Estate at Kilmore. Visitors to the ploughing match were delighted to see, alongside the vintage machines, 3 pairs of Clydesdale horses. They had travelled from Kinross, Fife and Kintyre to take part, using Oban overnight to ensure the horses were fresh, rested and ready to go in the morning. They behaved perfectly and gave a fine demonstration of how the land would have been ploughed before tractors took over their role. And to match the new venue, there was a new name on the main trophy too. Retired stockman Maurice Blacklaws brought his vintage tractor over from Carnoustie to join the large turnout of tractors from across Argyll and beyond. He proved it was a worthwhile trip by picking up the Argyll Agricultural and Oban Times trophy for the best overall rig. He also won Best Trailing Plough and Ins and Outs.